Hello, my friends. I have no willpower. I'm doing one more pour with the Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints. I don't have a lot of colors left, so who knows about how this color combination is going to work. I did mix a couple custom ones just to spread it a little bit. If it's successful, I'll tell you what I did. Here we go. I think you might get a different look when you're poured down close, higher. I don't know. You get a smaller stream the higher up you hold it, of course. So that would make sense that it would look differently. Oh, I just saw a chunk. I don't like chunks in my paint. Okay, time to do the drizzle. Here we go. I don't know that there's enough contrast. Well, I'll add some white to what's left in the cup, and I want to add yellow as well. Oh, why not? I'm going to add warm yellow if I have any. Yes, I do. Just a squirt of each of those in there, white and warm yellow, and I'm going to try something I haven't tried before. I'm going to do a little more ring pour. Where? Maybe over here. Maybe I'll leave that alone. And, oh, that's kind of fun. And add some of the lighter drizzle now. It's not that much lighter. I'm going to try to preserve that thing there. It's a shame you have to tilt, isn't it, sometimes? But you must. Can't leave it like this, so here we go. It's too bad. Oh, I know what I should have done. I should have waited and poured that second ring there, left it perfectly round. That would have been nice. I could still do it. I have plenty of paint left in the cup here. Looks a little like oh, I see where that chunk is. Right there. I don't know if I should try to pick it out or not. Let's see. Not too much damage. Maybe I should have left it, but I don't think so. I'm kind of liking the colors. My purple just really disappeared. I thought I added so much I was concerned about it. Wow. This is not at all what I thought would happen, but I like it. Okay, let's look at it and think about it. Turn it, look at it from different perspectives. No matter how many times I turn it, I generally end up liking it best the way I'm looking at it when I first pour it. This paint is so interesting. It has the most translucent quality to it. I mean, see, that is so neat right in there. Orange and purple and red. Layers of it. It's wonderful. I don't like that little blob there, but can't do much about that. I wonder, does it look unbalanced to have all this ribbony stuff here and not much over there? I don't know. Let's just bring it up a little bit. What have I got left? What should I do? Wow. I'm going to drizzle some more. I think I just want more dark. I'm going to add some purple, in fact, to what's in the cup here. I hope I don't regret this, but as I mentioned before, I love orange and purple together. So yep. Don't know that I like that little hooky thing there. I don't want to cover up that. Trying to visualize where I'm going with this. Cover up that thing. Where's my purple? I I added purple. It's still in the darn cup. Now I like it in this orientation. Should I leave this alone? What do you think? Boy, I wish you could tell me. I wonder how it would be if I just add something over here. Zzz, kind of a thing. I'm going for it. I'm afraid. Oh, no, 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 no. That wasn't good. I'm going to tilt that off. That was not a good move. Maybe by tilting it off, I'll be happier with the balance. If I move the whole thing this away. That's better. Maybe come back a little bit with it. Okay. I kind of like it. I'm a little unhappy with my that I lost so much purple, but maybe that zap of it right there is sufficient. Okay. Here's a bit of a close-up. Drip, drip, drip. I like it. I think I may really like it. I hope you do too. Okay, my friends, thank you for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.